Islam is a complete way of life that guides human beings in every aspect of their lives. Islam not only explains rules about worship, dealings, morals, and society, but also gives clear guidance about food and drink. The concept of halal and haram is a basic part of Islamic teachings. Halal food is not just a religious term, it is a lifestyle that deeply affects a person's soul, body, mind, and society. Halal food means food that is allowed by Allah. Its ingredients must be halal. The income used to buy it must be halal, and it must be prepared according to Islamic rules. In the Quran, Allah says, "O people, eat from what is halal and pure on the earth." This verse shows that Islam teaches not only halal food, but also pure and clean tayyibi food. Halal food gives peace to the heart. When a person knows that what he eats is according to the pleasure of Allah, his heart feels calm and satisfied. Haram food creates restlessness and anxiety in the heart, even if it looks tasty. A person who eats halal feels more enjoyment in prayer, recitation of the Quran, remembrance of Allah, and supplication. Haram income reduces the effect of worship. A hadith says that when a person makes dua while his food, drink, and clothing are haram, how can his dua be accepted? Halal earnings and food become a means for the acceptance of prayers. A person who eats halal has prayers that are accepted more easily because his body is nourished with pure food. Halal food is better for human health. Animals slaughtered in the Islamic way lose their blood completely, which makes the meat cleaner and healthier. Blood contains germs and harmful substances that are bad for the human body. Haram food, such as dead animals, blood, pork, and intoxicants, causes many physical diseases. Islam has forbidden these things to protect humans from harm. Islam also forbids waste and overeating. The concept of halal food teaches moderation, which helps digestion and protects from obesity, diabetes, and other diseases. Halal food keeps the mind clear and balanced. Haram food makes a person irritable, angry, and impatient. When the mind grows with pure food, a person makes better decisions in life. A halal-eating person usually prefers truth and justice. Haram food leads a person toward negative thoughts, doubts, and wrong behavior, while halal food promotes positive thinking and good character. Halal food develops taqwa, fear of Allah, in a person. When someone is careful about halal food, he becomes careful in other areas of life as well. Halal earnings make a person honest. A person who eats halal stays away from cheating, fraud, and illegal sources. Halal food teaches patience and gratitude. A person learns to be content with little and thanks Allah for his blessings. When people in a society eat halal, the whole society moves toward purity and goodness. Crime, corruption, and injustice decrease. Halal trade and halal food create trust among people. Mutual confidence increases, and social relationships become stronger. The system of halal earnings is free from exploitation and oppression, which makes society a place of justice and fairness. There is blessing barakah in halal income and halal food. Even if the amount is small, the benefit is greater. Allah gives halal-minded people sustenance from sources they never expect. Haram income gives temporary benefit, but later brings loss and worry, while halal income gives financial peace. Modern science also agrees that clean, natural, and balanced food is best for human health. Halal food follows these principles. Intoxicants, artificial foods, and unhealthy fats harm the human body. Halal food is a means to gain the pleasure of Allah. A person who lives according to Allah's commands becomes beloved to him. A person who eats halal will be successful on the Day of Judgment because he followed Allah's commands in this world. Those who choose halal food will deserve paradise, while those who eat haram will face strict accountability. In conclusion, halal food is not just about eating and drinking. It is a complete way of life. It purifies the soul, keeps the body healthy, clears the mind, improves character, and builds a better society. Islam teaches the difference between halal and haram to guide humans towards success in this world and the hereafter. If Muslims make halal food an essential part of their lives, it can bring a positive change in both individual and collective life.